Hi, and welcome to the Do-It-Yourself Small Church website from start to finish playlist. I'm creating this playlist for anybody who wants to take a run at building your own church website from start to finish. It's a fairly large task, but I wanted to just kind of give you a step-by-step here on how to go about doing that if you want to try to do that yourself. There's a lot of work involved, but it's not impossible, and really anybody can do this if you're given the proper instruction and direction. And so I'm going to do that, attempt to do that here in this series of videos in this playlist. I'm not going to give you 50 ways to do it. I'm going to give you the way I do it. I'm going to show you how I go about setting up and getting a domain name and setting up the hosting and connecting the domain name to the hosting and spinning up the WordPress platform, installing the proper plugins and all the things that I do to build a church website. I'm going to take you step by step through that. And hopefully it will help you if you have a tendency to want to do this yourself. And of course, if not, I'm always here to help, and you can hire me to do that. But I wanted to really just try to help small churches get it done for as little as possible. And if you've got the wherewithal and you've got the desire to build your own website, then I'm going to show you how to do just that. So hope you enjoy this playlist. Just keep your eye on it. I'll keep adding videos to this as quickly as I can and step you through the entire process of building your own church website from start to finish. So welcome and enjoy the playlist.